Hello friends, Namaste, welcome to our channel Let's Learn English. Thank you so much for watching this video. आज के इस वीडियो में हम आपके लिए लेके आए हैं idioms and phrases English to Hindi with meaning and sentences. तो चलिए देखते हैं और अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ डू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल. थैंक यू सो मच. चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं. Every nook and corner, हर कोना या हर स्थान. They have searched every nook and corner of house for the golden ring. Every nook and corner. Go to hand in hand. साथ साथ चलना. Physics and mathematics go hand in hand in certain chapters of school. Hand in hand. साथ साथ चलना. While away. समय गंवाना. Do not while away your time in social media. Do not while away your time in social media. समय गंवाना. वेस्ट करना समय. टाइम वेस्ट करना. By hook or crook. किसी भी कीमत पर, कैसे भी. We need our government in all state by hook or crook. कैसे भी, किसी भी कीमत पर. Have feathers in one's cap. इस फ्रेज को यूज़ करते हैं उपलब्धि के लिए. He is not only prime minister but also strongest party head, so he has 2 feathers in his cap. Keep the wolf out of door. किसी तरह से गुजारा करना. Poor families were hardly keeping the wolf out of the door during famine. Being busy doing nothing. व्यस्त रहने का दिखावा करना. The leader was busy doing nothing and people were suffering. Being busy doing nothing. To be touched. भावुक होना. The prime minister talked to him in the crowd. He was touched. भावुक हो गया वो अंदर से जब प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने उससे बात करी. Room for improvement. सुधार की ज़रूरत. Though we were satisfied with your work, but there is still room for improvement. अभी भी सुधार की ज़रूरत है तुम्हारे काम में. Great cry and little wool. ऊंची दुकान फीका पकवान. After a lot of calls to that hotel, receptionist attended one. The hotel is like great cry and little wool. A drop in the ocean. ऊंट के मुंह में जीरा. Whatever you give to the poor, it is like a drop in the ocean of poverty problem. We need to solve it in some different way. To go in vain. खोदा पहाड़ निकली चुया. They created whole building, but their effort went in vain as they came to know that the land was planned for a road. Between 2 stools, one comes to the ground. धोबी का कुत्ता ना घर का ना घाट का. Our political leader changed the party and lost election next time. Indeed, between 2 stools, one comes to the ground. A breeze, आसान. Riding a tricycle is such a breeze. मेरे लिए बहुत आसान था. It's such a breeze. A lot on my plate. बहुत व्यस्त. I have got a lot on my plate tonight. I don't think I won't finish until midnight. मेरे पास बहुत सारा काम है. A penny for your thoughts. किसी की सलाह लेना. Could I have a penny for your thoughts? I don't know how to solve this problem. इसको ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं, क्या मैं तुम्हारी मदद ले सकता हूँ. A penny for your thoughts. Ahead of time. समय से पहले काम करना. Finish your work ahead of time so you can enjoy your hobbies. समय से पहले काम करके देना, ahead of time. An arm and a leg, महंगा किसी चीज़ के लिए जो एक्सपेंसिव हो उसके लिए यूज़ करते हैं an arm and a leg. That new car costs an arm and a leg. I can't buy it. This is so expensive. Beet red, गुस्सा होना. John went beet red when he saw the scratch on his car. So friends, ये थे कुछ idioms and phrases. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe. आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में फिर मुलाकात होगी कुछ न्यू सेंटेंसेस के साथ. Thank you so much. नमस्ते.